Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are trying to change your password on Duolingo, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, if you would like to change your old password to a new one, you need to at least know your old password. So let's get started. Head over to your Duolingo application. Make sure that you are logged into your account, then tap onto your profile. As you do so, tap on the gear icon. Then here you will see profile under account. Tap it. Here access your password. And likewise, type in your old password and type in new password, confirm your new password, and then tap on save. And likewise, if your old password is correct, you will be able to change your password. But if your old password is incorrect, you cannot change your password. Now, in case you don't know your old password, here is what you should do. Open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in Reset Duolingo Password, tap onto Forgot Password, and then simply type in your email address, tap Submit. Verification link will be sent to the email address related with your Duolingo account. Reset it from there. Thank you for watching.